Yeah, so Woodbridge Retirement Village is a not-for-profit organisation that was established in 1979 for the benefit and welfare of older people in the community. It's home to nearly 300 residents living in one of our 220 homes, and the average age of our residents is 84 years old. Rising electricity costs are a major concern for our residents, the majority of whom are on an age pension or a part pension. The increasing cost in electricity was putting upward pressure on residents' maintenance fees. In addition, uninterrupted power is essential to support the activities of the community centre, which is the hub of our community. Since 2021, the electricity cost for running the community centre has increased from $21,000 to an estimated $45,000 this year. The exposure to electricity price volatility was putting significant pressure on the residents' maintenance budget, which includes things like the heating of the pool and the spa and the air conditioning within the community centre. The board decided to invest in an energy storage system as part of its commitment to keeping residents' maintenance fees affordable and enable residents to have more money in their pockets to invest in their health and well-being. The system was only commissioned last week. Our initial observations indicate the system is operating as designed, and we can see that the system is covering the electricity usage of the community centre. We're expecting to achieve 100% savings in our electricity costs as a result of the installation of this system. The portal gives us improved control and visibility over the energy usage at the community centre, and we have an added benefit where our residents are able to access the SolaX Cloud to have a look at how the system is operating and what money they're able to save themselves. The board's investment will reduce reliance on grid electricity and limit future cost increases, enabling resident maintenance funds to be invested in other essential services to support our residents to live their best independent life.